Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with a quick video to show you how to get Done For You Prompt installed on your Chrome browser. So the first thing you're going to do is click on this download option down here. Save Done For You Prompt, the zipped file, wherever you'd like. Find that zipped file. Unzip it. You can do so by double clicking or clicking on right click and unzip or whatever it says for you on your computer. But pretty much you want to unzip it into a folder like this. Then you're going to come here to click on these three little options here, three little balls here. Come to more tools, click extensions, and then here is where you can install the extension. Now the first thing you're going to do is click on developer mode. And then you'll see that now these options show up, which allow you to load an unpacked extension. You're going to click on that. And now you're going to select the option that you just unzipped. So it won't let you install the zipped file. That's why you have to unzip it first. Click select. And there you can see that Done For You prompt has been installed. Now what I'd like to do as well is come over here to this option right here that says extensions, and then pin this so that it can be easily accessible to me right here at any time. Now if I click on it right now, you'll see that it says Done For You prompt extension can only be loaded when ChatGPT is loaded in the active web browser. So I'm going to come back here to the ChatGPT to be the active web browser, since it does work with ChatGPT. Now I'm going to click on it and you'll see that it shows up again. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this, click on it, and now it's going to ask me for my license key. So let me go back to the members area, copy my license key, come back here, input that in there, click check. And now Done For You prompt has been installed and properly licensed, and I am now ready to use this to its full potential.